So here are just some examples of what you can do with the instrument. I'm just playing around. This is not very well rehearsed. It's just an example of what you can do with me live playing this in various genres, various sound times, from the reverse bass to a bit more of the hard techno sound to more of the up-tempo raw tail style. So yeah, in the meantime I will explain a bit here and there on the instrument, but this is just me in the zone working with the bass generator. So let's go. So yeah, let's do some nice reverse basses to see what we can shape there. So I'm starting with bass 8. So there we go. Bass 8 predominantly has the main bass layer for the crunchy distortion, and it has a bass line, a sub bass line for the actual reverse bass sound. We can shape, of course, the main bass line so that it's a bit more on top. Randomizer. Let's just use the low end of this bass line, so that everything else is controlled by the main bass. Like this. Now let's add another layer that is controlling more the width of the sound. Let's make it exactly in the middle, so let's add the LFO. Let's put it to sync mode. Let's play it solo. Oh, it's a bit too short now. The main bass again. Let's pan this one a bit. Let's add another one. Let's say kick. A bit too much to the delay. Play some more of the original sample that I put underneath. And now it gets really full. Let's see what happens if we replace the sub. Now we got the top part just for the character of the bass line, and the sub is really tight. Let's see how it sounds with another kick. And of course you can use your own kick by dropping the sample underneath. When I switch distortion style, it remembers the settings we had previously, so I can just go back to the early bass one and then it loads like that. Yeah, I like this one. Let's save this to a new one. Let's call it kick bass combo. And then we have it in our user folder section, of course, like that. There it is. Cool, so you get the idea of what you can do with the bass lines with the reverse bass. There's a lot of layers that you can pick from the start. You can create it from the main bass layer itself, and yeah, let's play some more. Yes, nice. Maybe too much reverb. Of course, you can always add the reverb and the delay in your DAW, that's fine, doesn't matter. So, let's do another genre. So, let's do a bit of hard techno, a bit of hard, rough bass generated sound. So, let's do it. Resonance in the beginning. Bit of noise like that. Save it as Hard Techno 4. Let's create look at some of the others that I created. bass into the hard techno sound. Crank up the kick a bit. Make it a bass line. Or triplet. Or straight. Let's use the randomizer. Okay, you get the idea. Let's do another genre. Okay, it's going to get a bit noisy, but let's see what we can do when we put it to 100 BPM, 180 BPM. And let's just make some noise tails. You know, I started out with the Extreme 07 preset, so let's go. This one, let's save it to number 3. Sorry for the hard noise. I hope you don't listen to this with the headphones, but or I hope you do listen to this with the headphones, so so your neighbors don't complain. This is a nice tail. Let's save it to number 4. So, just some idea that what you can do with a bit of the even harder genre. So I hope you got a little bit of an idea of what you can do with the bass generator. I haven't even shown you the fact that you can add your own samples simply by dragging and dropping them. So this means that you can use your own kicks, you can use your own bass samples to mutilate in the bass generator. All the controls are automatable, so you can easily control everything from movement in your DAW, from the filtering, from how the distortion styles work, etc. So if you have any questions, drop me a line and yeah, let me know what you think of it. And if you go for it, enjoy the bass generator.